So today I'm gonna be helping you and teaching you with some deep breathing and scuffing exercise to help you clear out your lung. Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay.
So we'll start off by sitting you straight and nicely. I want you to put this in your abdomen. So I'm gonna be asking you to breathe for 3 times. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's begin. Go. Again. Again. So this time I want you to hold it for 3 seconds. So go. Release it.